So for this image, I picked Atkinson A from Group A. One of the first questions in this is how effectively does the artist use elements and principles of design photography in composing the image? I'd say Atkinson uses the elements of design by not only taking a picture of the girl, but it also includes the background, which makes the image what it is. Line from the shelves of the bar and shape of the bottles are very relevant in this background and draw the eye. The color of her red shirt contrasts with dark colors in the background, like the black painting that's in with the bricks. I'd also say that Atkinson uses rule of thirds in this image as well. The second question is, what is the image about? This is why I like these type of images. There's the simplicity but the unknown behind it. I'd say the image is about maybe a bartender, or maybe she is the owner of this bar, or it could simply just be a friend of the person who took the image. But her eye is drawn to something which is interesting, so it kind of is hard to tell. The third question is, what would you change about the image? I would try and get a different angle, or maybe I'd include more of the background. Try and get the brick wall out of it and include more of the bar and the bottles. It's kind of hard to tell the role she plays in this image, so I would just have her wear like a name tag or an apron if she has one normally, so that I could be more clear to why she was looking at the bar. Um, I would also move the sign that it's sitting on the bar in front and the glass, because it kind of takes away from what is going on behind it, and it gets distracting at a certain point. The fourth question would be, what could you use improvement within the image slash composition? Yet again, I would focus more on the girl or on the background. It the image sort of like sits in the middle of both, so it's open for interpretation. But I would definitely try to get a different angle, different like side or angle. Maybe like shift it, like do maybe the exact opposite, get the exact opposite angle, so she is behind the full bar. Um, Personally, I'd probably pick a side on focusing rather being the girl or the bar, just so it kind of like brings meaning sort of towards the image. But definitely would try and get that different angle that's and not have the stuff that's on the bar in the way that takes away from the image. But overall, I say it is a good image, and but yet it's so simple, which I find that is very interesting.